Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Good to be with you on a Friday. Yes, I'm here on a Friday. I missed a lot of days. I think I need to get in here. It's early in the morning. I do have a commitment on Fridays, but we'll get to that and we'll just keep on going. Let's get this on the road. What is today? NFP Friday. The markets, as you can see on my charts, folks, is absolutely sideways. Nothing's going on since about London lunch yesterday. Really before that, just sideways, no price action, no nothing going on. I think that's going to continue until we get to NFP numbers come out, and that will be at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so what's going on, my friends? Well, I want to tell you that the weather is overcast today in Pattaya, Thailand, and really nice. Just a personal note, I've been watching the Major League Baseball playoffs. I'm a big baseball fan, and I got to tell you, these playoff games have been really, really great. Nail biters to the end, really good stuff. And yeah, I was up in the middle of the night to watch baseball. Still watching baseball as I do this. All right, traders, let's take a look at what's going on data-wise. Really nothing coming out in the European session. The Great British Pound has some... Yeah, they got Halifax House Price Index comes out today out of the pound. And that'll be about an hour after the open. So what do we have going on? Now, the U.S. session is packed, of course, with data being its NFP day. So what we have here is we have unemployment rate coming out. We don't expect any change, of course. We do have non-farm payrolls, of course. I'm just trying to find the important ones. Out of Canada, we have unemployment change also. We have IBPMI out of Canada. And that's about it. We do have employment change, which I told you, out of Canada. Participation rate, private non-farm payrolls comes out. A bunch of stuff. I think there's like 6 or 7 total that come out when the non-farm payroll data comes out all at once. All right, so are you going to trade it or you're not going to trade it? Well, this is my recommendation. If you have traded it before and you're proficient at it and you're good at it, sure, go for it. Take the trade, see what you can do. If you're not, of course, do it on a demo account. Do it maybe for about 6 months till you get proficient at trading NFP data, and then do it. I will tell you, when I first started trading, probably the first 5 or 6 years, I was pretty good at NFP, and I traded NFP. Well, then my average went to like 0. So I basically do not trade NFP. I like watching it, I have to be honest with you. I do like watching it. I like all the numbers coming out. I like the charts going crazy. It's pretty interesting to watch, but I do not trade it. I do play with it on a demo account. But, if you're not good at something, just don't do it. Do something else, right? All right, that's my advice on NFP trading. Let's take a look at you know what? Let's see what happened in the markets before we do that. Let's see what's going on. S&P futures down 0.03%. NASDAQ futures down 0.01%. Dow up 0.50%. Small cap 2000 up 0.28%. S&P VIX negative 4.57%. Yeah, volatility none. Okay, Nikkei 225 is positive 0.35%, and the dollar index is up 0.01%. Amazing, the dollar isn't through the roof after that good data yesterday. The day before yesterday in the U.S. session was absolutely unbelievable. And the dollar is just inching up. Gold is just inching up, like it's not really doing anything. All right, let's see what's going on in oil. Just gold is at $1,271.31. Brent oil is at $56.95. WTI is at $50.73. That's what's going on in oil. U.S. coffee is up 1.52%. Let's take a look at the charts on this Friday, my friends. It was really hard to find like the trade of the day. Like, I spent a long time trying to find the trade of a day. All of our yen pairs are in a sell-off, as you can see on my charts, right? All the yen pairs are just selling off. Pound, Aussie, everything is just selling off. The Euro Aussie took a little beep to the upside, but it's not tradable because you're going to want to sell that, right? So we'll just take a look here. So you're going to want to sell this. Well, if you're going to sell this, where are you going to sell it into? Yeah, you're selling it into the 20, the 55 EMA, and then the 200. So there's a no trade plan here. We're not going to touch this. Nothing to do with this trade. All right, let's look at my trade plan I did pick for the day, and that was the pound yen, also known as the beast. And what we see here is it has been selling off quite nicely. And in the last day and a half, it sold off really nicely. So, I'm saying, well, why don't we get a pullback to this 50% level? And when we'll get in at 148.40, put our stop at like 60 or 70, put your stop. Unfortunately, 60 or 70 is not going to keep you out of the clear for this to go up because it's not resistance. Really, if you wanted to get to resistance, you got to go to 149.60. I'm not going to put my stop that far for a 40 pip maybe profit, right? So we're not going to do that. We're just going to go with 20, 25 pips, put our stop there. If we get 2 candlesticks with higher lows, get out. We can always re-enter. So we'll try to get out of this at 148.00, 148.10, somewhere in there. We'll try to stretch out 30 pips, 35 pips. That's why I only want to risk 15 or 20 pips in my drawdown. Now, the other issue is on this pound yen, even though it moves nicely and it's a great pair to move, it's NFP Friday. So what do we see here on NFP Friday? Nothing's going to happen until data. So this is probably not going to work today. This is probably just not going to work today at all. Now, after NFP comes out, it's possible that we can get a trade. But for me, that's pretty late for me. That would be 8:30 my time, getting a trade by 9:30. Now I'm stuck in front of my computer till after midnight on a Friday. I don't think so. So that's not going to happen. If I'm not in my trade by London lunch, I usually do not get into a Forex trade. As you all know, I do trade options in the U.S. session, so I'm busy from the about 40 minutes or an hour before the U.S. Open. I'm pretty busy, so my Forex day is over. I do trade Asia and London very seriously and very hard, but come New York, it's time to trade options. All right, that is the pound yen. Didn't mean to get on that little sidewinder there. Not a lot to talk about, friends. I got to be honest with you, just not a lot to talk about. We can take a look at the Aussie. We'll just do this the last one because it's just these pairs are in great positions to trade, and it's all across the board, folks. These sell-offs are unbelievable. Fib them, put a Fibonacci on there, fib them, get to a Fibonacci level and sell it, right? At this 78.35, 78.25, somewhere there. If you look left of the chart, you can see that's, support. So, take advantage of that. And maybe we can get some sell-offs there. But I don't want to fib this, get to resistance, and look to sell it. These pairs are bearish, right? The pairs are bearish. The Aussie goes up, goes sideways for a while, and then dumps again. And that's its personality. That's what it does. It does it all the time. But the Aussie pair, in my opinion, is just a bearish pair. Even though it's a commodity pair, and it does move with commodity changes in data, it's still bearish. All right. Well, traders, thanks for being with me on a Friday. This is a Friday edition, and I'm early in the morning. Like I said, I always have a commitment on a Friday morning, but it's early. It's just about after 7 a.m. my time. So we're going to head on out. Have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart, not hard. Traders, we'll see you on Monday for some more charts and some more analysis. Traders, take care. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.